Hey guys, I've got some cherry I just need to take a couple slices of. I need, basically I just need to slice this guy right in half. So I've jointed both edges. This is actually a cut from another blade that didn't go so well. And it's actually, I need 5 inches. This is just short of 6 inches, so that won't hurt anything. So anyway, going to slice this up. I got to adjust that so it's going right in half, and we'll cut through it. Brand new wood slicer, 1/2 inch, 4 tooth per inch blade I just got today. So it's actually doing real good so far in the first test cut. All right, let's go ahead and adjust this down and we'll take a look. Okay, so this is just under 2 inches thick. I just need 3/4 on each side. Actually just over half is what I'm hoping to end up with. I've got a little jointer right behind the camera there. And using a little mag switch featherboard here has been real nice. So anyway, let's get this thing going. Push stick over here. Ready to go. Everything just fogged up in my glasses here. All right, just take a quick look. Wow, that came out real nice. Let's get a little more light on it here for you, see if that helps. Let's get the light over here. Really nice texture, boy. Not a whole lot there. Definitely the drum sander, or definitely the thickness planer will take care of that. If not, maybe just the drum sander. Probably one pass of each. Anyway, real easy. Nice blade, happy with that.